Hello, today we've got a Dell Vostro V12 computer that we're going to change the screen on. You can see right here the screen was damaged in a bag. It wasn't properly protected and it banged on the corner, and now the screen is damaged. So I've got a new screen that just arrived, and we're going to install that in the Vostro V12. The first step is we're going to remove the rubber caps that are here, 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 and here, and that's where the screws are located. Here, 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 and here. So make sure you turn your computer off. So we're going to turn the computer off now. I've powered down the computer. Now I'm going to remove the rubber cushion, and they just basically peel off. Just a little sticky black rubber. I'm going to take those off, and then you remove the screws one at a time. Make sure you don't lose any of them. Okay, once you've removed the two screws, you can just pry away the bezel away from the screen. It should come off relatively easy. It just pulls right out. Go. Okay, once you've pried it away, you can see there's a little glue around the edge. You just have to peel that away from the screen. It's like a light adhesive. And it should pull away just like this. Okay. Now that you've taken the bezel cover off, you'll notice the screen has got 4 screws. One here, 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 and here that will need to be removed. So I'm going to do that now. These screws are a little bit smaller than the ones that hold on the bezel. Okay, and now we're ready to remove the screen. You can see right here, you have the one connector right here. Okay. Okay, once we've removed the tape, you just pull the connector away from the old screen, and then take your new screen and put the connector on. It just plugs right in like that. It's very simple. 2, 3. Okay, now that we've got the connector secure, we're going to put it back, put the screen back into the bezel. Just make sure that the connectors go back securely, and put the screen back and align to the holes that you'd remove the screws from earlier. Now we're going to put our screws back in to secure the bezel. Okay, now that we've got our connector reattached, we're going to take the tape that covers the front of the bezel, and we are going to reattach the screen to the cover. So we're going to find our 4 little screws and reattach the screen. The screws that attach the screen back to the cover are extremely small, so you're going to need a very extra small Phillips head in order to put the screws in. Okay. Okay. Make sure they're snug. Alright, screen's in and we're ready to reattach the bezel. And we're going to put it on the same way we took it off. Start at the bottom and then go to the top. Okay, you just press from the bottom. You'll hear it click along the top. There you go. Now we're going to reattach our two final screws and then put our rubber grommets back on. Okay, we're going to put our screws back in. The last two screws here and here. Alright, and then we're going to put our little sticky covers back on to the screen. Okay, and lastly, we are going to start up the PC. And the screen looks like it's working. There we go. One repaired Dell Vostro screen.